everybody, good afternoon, almost good evening here from New Delhi, India. So for today's video, come with me as we go to like one of the business center yata or financial center or financial hub here in New Delhi, India, which is called Connaught Place. So we're just gonna walk because it's not that far. It's just like 1.5 kilometer away. And there's Usok, wait, may makeup. Grabe yung tingin nila sa akin. Comment down below if you think that my kilay is beautiful and the makeup. I am beautiful. To those who don't believe me, I don't believe you too. If you don't believe me, I don't believe you. But I believe myself. Fuck you. Charot. Ayan, dinala ako sa tunnel. Nakakaloka. Hanging wires. My God, we don't wanna die. Let's walk fast. We don't wanna die. My God, it's so beautiful. It's giving Europe vibes right now. Oh, everybody, welcome to Connaught Place. Gutom na ako. Alam mo, I'm gonna eat first because I'm really hungry. Nawawala na ako sa mood. For sure, I'm not the only one in the world na kapag gutom, wala sa mood. This place is called... Nakakagigil naman to. Tumatawid yung tao. O, di ba? Sorry, di ba? Huwag natin i-edit yon para makita yung totoong reaction kapag nagugutom. Let's show them the true color.